狂风暴雪搭配巨浪打上民宅，发出砰砰声响，海水甚至还淹进城镇。美国东北部上周六遭受猛烈冬季暴风吹袭，多地遭暴风雪袭击。当中，纽约州、纽泽西州、马萨诸塞州等5州宣布进入紧急状态。这场冬季风暴从北卡罗来纳州附近的大西洋上空形成后，向北往缅因州移动，预估将有7500万人受到影响，甚至还传出暴风雪造成纽约州一名老妇人冻死在车上。这场暴风雪实在太强大，就连铲雪车司机开车都大喊看不到。
White House like almost zero visibility when you're driving.
当中麻州灾情惨重，暴风雪导致逾4.2万户停电。
Yeah, just lost power about 2 hours ago. Now just firing up the generator, trying to power up the house, the heat on. Well, I got a 8,000 watt generator, so that'll power most of the house. So prepared there, stocked up on food, water, all that stuff. So should be able to bear down for a couple days without power.
这场暴风雪也让麻州州长贝克对民众喊话。
The storm, for the most part, is delivering pretty much what we all expected and the experts predicted. It's bringing strong winds and lots of snow across the Commonwealth, with coastal, eastern, and southeastern communities getting hit particularly hard. In many parts of the state, the snow's been falling at a rate of 2 to 4 inches per hour for a while, and we expect that will continue for the next hour or two, and eventually will taper off. MassDOT crews have been working to treat and clear roads and currently still have approximately 3,000 pieces of equipment out there. And crews have obviously been out all day, but the conditions are making it really difficult to keep the roads clear for any significant period of time. For the most part, people have done a great job of staying home and off the roads. Thank you very much to everybody who took that particular concern of ours seriously. It's made life dramatically easier for people who are out there removing snow, but it also means that a lot of folks weren't spending a tremendous amount of their day trying to help people who got stuck.
虽然大部分民众乖乖待在家，但还是有人雪中作乐，就有波士顿民众非常嗨。
So as soon as we saw that there was a snowstorm or whatever, I know I wanted to be out here because I love the snow. I grew up in the South, so I'm not used to the snow. So this is like amazing for me. I love this.
Because I love the snow and I wanted to be out here, and my dog Brewer likes to play in the snow, so it's a good opportunity for him to get some snow time in, since we really don't get that much snow. It's very hit or miss here in Boston, so when we do get snow, it's nice to be outside.
有人因暴风雪嗨到不行，也有人笑不出来。这场暴风雪在部分地区降下超过60公分的积雪，还伴随强风吹袭，导致周日美国境内有超过1400多架航班被取消，1200多架航班延误。然而，这场暴风雪到底要到什么时候？美国国家气象局预估，周日天气会平静很多。国际中心综合外电报道。